up, hello and bonjour, and welcome to my channel, or hopefully welcome back. Today we are reviewing not one, but 2 subscription boxes. They basically came at the same time, so I was like, why not plop them into one video? Do a bit of a battle. We got this month's Birchbox, aka Blossom, because I live in France, but it's Birchbox, they still have it in the title, versus this month, aka March, Glossybox. Let us see who is better. The price difference, this is I think €13.90, this is €15.50 if you're doing month to month. So we're gonna see what the total value is between the two. Who's better? Who's worth it? Was this month any good? Let's find out. And let us just dive in. Alright, so we're going to start off with Blossom, just because I typically think I upload Blossom first, and it did come the day before the Glossybox. So let's dive in. This month we got this cute little pull-out drawer style box that we haven't gotten since October, I think. In the last couple of months we've gotten bags, so it's interesting. They keep it interesting. Every month it's different. Cookery Cool is the name of the game this month. Alright, so opening the drawer. Step in. I'm curious. See, the problem for me with Blossom, every time I love a box, the next month is kind of crap. And then every time the month is crap and I'm like, maybe I should cancel my subscription, the next month is good. Let's just start grabbing things. What do we have here? Yes, and as I mentioned, I'm in France, so some of the products will be French or differ slightly from the ones that you guys get. This is the Embryolisse Moisturizing Milk Cream Sensitive Multifunction Nourishing Moisturizer, adults, children, babies for sensitive reactive skin. Oh my goodness, what a mouthful. So this is obviously a miniature size. We got 15 mils, the original is 100 mils, and the value for this size is €2.99. So basically just a very sensitive moisturizer. Oh gosh, it even comes with a little like oh, it's like a metallic tube. I like those, you know, the ones that actually shift once you open them. Oh yeah, and it's sealed. Okay, I'll leave that closed. Yeah, cool. This is my problem. It's what I talked about in the last video with the No Make No Life, the Japanese one. After a certain point, everything's kind of just the same. So yeah, cool. I have a drawer full of moisturizers. I don't even want to get into it. I'm gonna use it. Cool, thank you. $2.99. The next thing, I'm going to take out something that I'm going to assume is boring and I don't like. That sounds really bitchy, but it's a shampoo. My sentiments on shampoo have been made very clear throughout my channel and my videos. I don't care for them. I suppose this one I could use a few times, and it's actually a fairly decent size compared to ones where it's like one wash. And we get 15 mils, which is quite a good. It has coffee extract, aloe vera, and almond protein. So actually, that, as far as shampoo samples go, this is a big size and an interesting one. It smells pretty good, pretty fresh. So full size is $1.50. We got 50 mils, and the value for this size is €6.33. Which is quite expensive, so hopefully it's good, and I guess I can use this maybe 2-3 times, but it's just kind of like, and then what? You know what I mean? I've never used a shampoo once and been like, oh, it's changed my hair forever. It's never happened, so for me to get a sample, it's kind of like, oh, cool, thanks. And we're not even traveling right now because we still can, because COVID just won't go away, so I'll use it, but this one actually sounds kind of interesting, so I'll give it a go. Next, I'll take out this little itty bitty item, and I know the brand because we've gotten it before and it's quite famous. It's Huygens Paris, which is obviously a French brand because Paris is in the name. This is an anti-age serum. Why did they give me anti-age? I'm not that old. Not yet. No, it's good. It's good. Prevention is the best. Anyways, so obviously mini size. The full size is 30 mils. This is 5, and it's worth €8.17 at this size. Doesn't really smell of anything. Cool. Oh, it's got like little, I don't know if that's inside the packaging, but it looks like little bits of sand. Maybe that's just the glass. But that's cool, and honestly, as a serum, this looks really tiny, but I think this would last me like probably a week if I did it once a day, so that's nice. Can I really tell a huge difference after a week of a product? Maybe not, but if it's that good, maybe I will. So, alright, again, cool. Thanks. Moving on, we got 2 items left. I'm gonna take out this one because, I don't know why, but I am. We got a mascara. A green, clean, vegan, eco-responsible, made in France mascara by the brand Pomponne Makeup Soin Creme, so like green care makeup. This is worth €29. Oh, buddy, okay, let me be right clear. I'm gonna go super bitchy this one. I have a hard time spending €29 on like my favorite mascara at Sephora. Like, it's hard for me, which is, by the way, Perversion by Urban Decay, or also the Velvet Noir by Marc Jacobs. Oh my god, like this for €29, I get that it's also probably something in the sense of an indie brand or new and the green, clean, whatever, but also the packaging is boring. So maybe for that reason the price is extra, but this brush doesn't look like anything particularly special. Oh, I really hope it's a good mascara for €29 because it looks boring and it looks kind of dry, the formula. Hopefully it's really, really great. Thank you for a full mascara. I love mascara. I think everybody goes through mascara regularly and quickly, so it's always nice to have one, but yeah, €29. Ouch, 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 ouch. But good reviews apparently. And last, but I think not least, because I think I saw a sneak peek, first of all, already loving the packaging, may I say. This is an exfoliant cocoa cream mousse. I'm trying to translate directly from the French to the English in my head. So basically it has coconut oil, vervain, which I love, argan oil, and other stuff. So it's kind of like a scrubby, natural, oh, that smells like heaven, face wash. Oh, I got goosebumps. I got them running down my body. That smells amazing, really good. I like that it's kind of not in a plastic bottle, you know, sustainable if we're talking about eco stuff. That's really cool. This guy is full size and worth €10.50. Yeah, just in the morning and evening, massage it into the skin, it gently exfoliates. Awesome, vegan, cruelty-free. Nice, nice. That is Blissum for March. I'm not going to do my final thoughts until after I do Glossybox for this month, and then we can go into a little comparison and see what's crack-lackin'. Alright, Glossybox. So as you know, every other month they have like a themed box. This month is just the regular standard one. Ooh, dropping things. And Pretty Pleasures is the theme for the month of March with Glossybox. Yes. So I mentioned in my other video, I canceled a couple of subscriptions. One of them was Look Fantastic because it's basically the same company and I could see the items recycling. And the funny thing is, so I follow Glossybox France and Glossybox UK, and I see sneak peeks for both, and it's interesting. I completely destroy the packaging because sometimes products are the same, but also they kind of recycle products, wherein I know it happened in this box. One item from last month in the UK box is now in the French one, and one item from last month's French box is now in the UK one. So that's interesting. But anyways, it's not organized really nicely. I'll just start here. We have a Rare Paris Elixir face mask. This is the Nourish Mask. Now I've gotten this one before. I've gotten the pink one several months ago. I believe, is it $4.95 the value of this one? Yeah, $4.95. It's a really nice, good face mask. As I say, I like getting them in the boxes because I don't really go out to buy them. I enjoyed the last one I used. Did it change my life? No, but I don't know that any face mask ever has. So that's cool. That's a nice little start there. I'll use that this weekend when I take my bath. I see the items. I see the items. All right, I'll take this little guy next. This, again, I've already gotten this before, but actually in Birchbox a few months ago, last summer. This is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and I actually absolutely adore this. I need to buy a full size. I meant to after I used up the last one, but oh, I just want to sleep and relax and nap. So basically this has lavender in it. Well, the main one is lavender. Does it say the other ingredients? Made in Czech Republic, that's cool. Yeah, spray onto pillow before bedtime. So first of all, obviously this is an itty bitty travel size, and for €6.70 at this size. Maybe that's why I didn't buy it. I'm afraid of the big one, but it smells heavenly. It's super relaxing. I personally love pillow sprays. I find that they really do soothe me. So I'm a fan of this product. It worked for me. This works. That's where the name comes from. So I'm quite happy with that, but it's interesting now that it's been almost a year that I've had all these subscription boxes and starting to see the patterns and the repetition. However, I do love this, so I'm happy to have that. Next, I'll take the item that was a sneak peek, and what do you know? We got another mascara. This is the Beautaniq Beauty, which I've never heard of before. Cute little packaging. We got a volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. This guy, of course, is full size and worth €17, which seems so much more reasonable than the 29 in the Birchbox. Oh, it's in like a little tube format. I like that. That's cute packaging. Cruelty-free and vegan. I mean, that's kind of standard now. All right, let's see how this one looks. Oh, ooh. It's one of those, you maybe can't tell, but kind of spiral wands, which personally are not my favorite, just because historically speaking, they don't work for me as well as other mascaras, but definitely curious to try. Wow, 2 mascaras in 1 month. All right, I'm set. But actually really curious about this one. It looks cool, looks different, and the price seems moderate. Yeah. Next, I'll take this because when I did my other review, which video was it? I think it was the February Glossybox. The UK got this product, whereas we got the Figs and Rouge primer. We get these incredibly overpriced lip scrub by Avant, or Avant if you want to pronounce it in French. So as everybody probably knows by now, Avant is a brand that is beyond expensive, like ridiculous. This is a full-size 10ml product. Go ahead, I'll give you 2 seconds. Take a guess at the value of this lip scrub. €30? €40? €50? €60? No, my friends, this is €64. €64. I would never. I say this every time there's an Avant product in my box. Can I please have the money instead? I would never. Would I even if I was like a gajillionaire? Maybe then, but oh my gosh, as if I would spend €64 on a scrub. Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Does it even smell that? I mean, it has a cool texture. Like it's like that sticky scrub texture. Look, it smells really nice. Does it smell like, oh my gosh, crazy good? No. It smells really, really nice. That's it. Hyaluronic, argan oil, peony, sweet almond. But wowzer, €64 for this. Never, but cool. Thank you. I suppose in that sense it's nice because it's something that I would never normally buy or get. Yeah. And last but not least, and I'm actually quite excited about this, I got an unfortunate little sneak peek right before I received this package, so I know what it is. So we got a nail polish, which we haven't gotten in super long. We got one in Christmas, the Nailberry one, which I really like. This is by Nails Inc, and we got this lovely like minty mint color, and it's so beautifully springtime. I actually absolutely love it. I wanted a color. Oh shit, do I already have a color like this? Oh my god, what a bummer. It's pretty similar. This one I'd say is more minty. This one is a bit more fresh green. This is by Revolution, which actually amazing nail polishes. Ah man, that's too bad now that I think about it that I have 2 similar colors. But this one is a bit more minty and fresh and blue toned, I would say. So damn, I just realized that I have something so similar. But I actually do really like this color. I think it's perfect for spring, freshness, kind of matches the face sheet mask. So cool. Oh, and this guy is €12. Ooh, €12. But again, full-size nail polish, they last for freaking ever. So that is Glossybox. Let us dive into my final thoughts. Yes. All right, we got Birchbox and we got Glossybox. Who this month wins for me? I'm gonna go with Glossybox. No surprise here, it's almost always Glossybox. Between the two, there's been a couple of months where Birchbox has stolen the show, but it's just, there's just, as much as I like a lot of the products I get in Birchbox, there's some essence of boredom when it comes to Birchbox. Do you know what I mean? Birchbox, this is the kind of month where I would consider canceling my subscription, if I'm being honest, which means next month's gonna be good. But I mean, I like the face cleanser. Huygens is fine. Mascara. It's funny because for Glossybox, I'm excited about mascara. This one, I think it's just because it looks boring and the price is really high. Don't really care for shampoo. Normal moisturizer. Thanks. It's that reaction. It's the, that's nice. Thanks. That's about it. Glossybox, not the most exciting box I've ever gotten by far, but still a very good base standard of niceness, if that makes sense. I like a good sheet mask. I love the nail polish and the color, despite unfortunately having something similar. Love the pillow spray. This mascara looks interesting, and this overpriced lip scrub is extremely overpriced but cool to get. Again, like, nice. I'm quite happy for the cost. This isn't the situation where, you know, I'd rather have kept my money and not gotten this box. I'm happy for these products. This one, despite the value being higher than what I paid, I would have rather probably skipped this month if I could have. So, ding ding ding, the winner is Glossybox, which, like I said, most times it is. Anyways, that was today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you prefer me doing both boxes in one video if you watch these, or not? Let me know. I'm considering it because I am. In any case, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you on this journey with me. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, and other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!